Let's get started. Log into your wecantrack account. From the left menu, open Data Sources, then click Affiliate Networks. In the search bar, type Awin. Click the Awin row to open it. Then click Create Account. Give your account a name you'll recognize later. Now you'll need your Awin API token. Click the link to open your Awin account. On the API credentials page, enter your password and click Show My API Token. Copy your API token. Back in wecantrack, paste it into the API token field. Next, add your publisher ID. You'll find it in your Awin dashboard listed under each account name. If you have several publisher IDs, add a separate integration for each one. Paste your publisher ID, then click Create Account. And that's it. Your Awin account is now connected. Want to connect more networks? Check out our other integration guides.